If you don't understand power, you're already losing. Most people think hard work and good intentions are enough, but the real world runs on very different rules. If you don't know them, you will be used, manipulated, and left behind by those who do. This video reveals the brutal truths about power that most will never tell you. Miss this, and you risk staying powerless forever. The powerful do not blindly follow rules. They analyze them, play by them when it benefits them, and break them when necessary. They understand when kindness is a weakness and when it is a weapon. Strategic ruthlessness is not about being cruel, it's about being effective. It means removing emotion from decisions, cutting off what holds you back, and doing what must be done even if it is uncomfortable. The cold truth? Success favors strength, not morality. The world does not reward kindness, fairness, or virtue. It rewards those who understand and apply the psychology of power. Winners are not the most ethical, they are the most ambitious, decisive, fearless, and strategic. If you want to rise, you must develop these traits because, in the end, power belongs to those who take it. Power is seductive, but it is also dangerous. Those who climb to the top through ruthlessness, manipulation, and dominance may believe they are untouchable, but history tells a different story. Those who fail to master power ultimately lose it. Ruthlessness can secure power, but it does not guarantee longevity. The same force that elevates a ruler, a CEO, or a conqueror eventually becomes their downfall. Julius Caesar, the target of his own success. Julius Caesar was one of the most brilliant and ambitious leaders in history, ruthless in battle, cunning in politics, and charismatic enough to bend the Roman Republic to his will. But his downfall came from becoming too powerful. The Senate saw him as a threat. His allies became his enemies. His ambition, once an asset, made him a target. In 44 BC, he was assassinated by those who once stood by his side. His fate wasn't a coincidence. It was a consequence. Napoleon, the man who conquered too much. Napoleon Bonaparte reshaped Europe, turning France into a dominant empire. His military brilliance was unmatched, his strategies revolutionary, and his ambition limitless. But power blinded him. He overextended his reach, invading Russia despite warnings. He underestimated the resilience of his enemies. His confidence turned to arrogance. His empire collapsed. From emperor to exile, Napoleon's story is a brutal reminder. Those who do not control their hunger for power are eventually consumed by it. Corporate giants, from industry titans to cautionary tales. In the modern world, the rise and fall of business empires follows the same pattern. Blockbuster dominated video rentals until it dismissed Netflix. Kodak invented the digital camera but refused to embrace it, fearing it would kill their film business. Once untouchable tech giants grow arrogant, believing they are invincible until innovation leaves them behind. Power does not tolerate stagnation. Those who fail to adapt, evolve, and control their own hubris inevitably fall. The key lesson: master power or be destroyed by it. The ultimate truth of power is balance. Ruthlessness alone is not enough, it must be paired with self-awareness. Dominance is not enough, it must be paired with wisdom. Success is not enough, it must be sustained. The greatest mistake of the powerful is believing they are untouchable. The question is, if you rise, will you learn from history or fall like the rest? The real rules of power: 1. Reject naive morality. Goodness alone will not save you. Many are raised to believe that hard work, kindness, and virtue will lead to success, but history proves otherwise. The world does not operate on fairness. The strong do not wait for permission. Those who blindly follow morality often become victims of those who manipulate it. This doesn't mean becoming a villain, it means seeing through the illusion. Play by the rules when they serve you and know when to break them when they don't. 2. Embrace strength. If you want power, you must build yourself into someone who commands it. not through deception or manipulation alone, but through genuine strength. Ambition. Set goals so big they scare you. Confidence. Stop seeking approval. Own your path. Decisiveness. When a choice is needed, make it without hesitation. People follow those who radiate power, not those who beg for it. 3. Stay strategic. Know when to be ruthless. Know when to build alliances. Power isn't about crushing everyone in your way. The most powerful figures understood alliances, strategy, and timing. Julius Caesar built alliances before seizing Rome. Machiavelli taught when to appear kind and when to be feared. Great leaders don't destroy everyone, they create loyal followers. The key, never let emotions dictate your actions. If ruthlessness is required, use it. Your morality should be a tool, not a cage.